Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to schedule a class meeting or an individual meeting in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams from the app. Then click on the Teams button to view all your class teams. Select the class you want to schedule a meeting for. Under the drop-down menu on the video icon, click it. You will see two options: Meet Now or Schedule a Meeting. The Meet Now option starts an instant meeting and calls all the class team members right away. Where the Schedule a Meeting option allows you to plan the meeting ahead of time and place it on the calendar. Click on it to open the scheduling window. Add a title to your meeting. For example, use the same name as your class. Since you're scheduling from the class channel, you don't need to add emails. All class members will be invited automatically. Now set the start time and end time of the class. If the time you need doesn't appear in the list, you can simply type it in. You can also set the meeting to repeat regularly using the Repeat option. Click on the default Does Not Repeat to choose how often the class should occur. For weekly classes, select Weekly and choose the day of the week. Example: every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Set an end date so the meetings stop automatically at the end of the school year. Click Save to close the window. Before sending, you can also adjust the response options. This setting controls what participants can do with the invitation. You can choose to request responses, let participants accept or decline the invitation, allow forwarding, let participants send the invite to others. After setting all the options, click Send. The meeting will be sent to all class members and will appear on the Posts page and on your calendar as well. When it's time, click Join to enter the meeting. In the next video, you'll learn how to join a meeting and start the call. Now let's go to the calendar to view the meeting. You can see the entire series of meetings displayed on your weekly calendar. Click the arrow next to Today to move to the next week and confirm the meetings are scheduled. In the calendar view, you have more options such as daily, weekly, and monthly views. You can switch between them using the buttons at the top right of the calendar. Choose the daily view if you want to focus on a single school day and see only that day's meetings in detail. If you want to add a single meeting to your schedule, click on a time slot in the calendar. A window will open. Add a title to your meeting, for example, Teachers Meeting. Enter the person's email, set the time, and click Send. The meeting is now saved on your calendar, and an invitation will be sent automatically to the person's email. If any of the students didn't receive the calendar invitation, click on the meeting and choose Copy Meeting Link to send it to them directly. In the same way, you can edit your event meetings by clicking on it, selecting Edit. Choose all events in this meeting. Make your changes such as time, title, or recurrence. Change the recurrence by clicking the Repeat drop-down menu. Adjust the occurrence of the meetings, save, and then click Send Update. You can view the updated changes on your daily calendar. One last thing. To delete a meeting, click on it, select Edit, choose all events in the series. On the meeting window page, click Cancel Meeting. You can write a cancellation note or leave it empty, and then click Cancel Series, and the meeting will be deleted from your calendar. For more video tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.